Your main assignment for your lunch game for your Sami Saisi, lane number 15. Carmen Talosi, lane number 16. Lane number 17, Francis Villaflor. Lane number 18, Aldrin Tornea. Lane number 13, Baby Gallo.
Layo mo naman!
Ruby Gallos. Lane number 19, Agustina.
Naka-record yan.
Lane number 20, Torte Dabal Santos. Lane number 11, Torte Mendoza. Lane number 12, Egay Latap. Lane number 21, Cesar Moire. Lane number 22, Yorkie Moire. Lane number 9, Orvizio. Number 10, Dean Aquino. And center finalists, here are the positions standing after 8 game. Number 5 with a series of 16-34, Baby Gallos. Number 4 with a series of 16-16,